Hey guys, I'm going to show you a really quick video on how I do solder paste soldering with an integrated chip. Here's our target. I'm going to take a little 99% isopropyl alcohol, clean off those pads, make sure they're clean. We're going to use a dust-free wipe to dry that. And typically what I like to do is mix solder paste and flux together, so I get something that has a little bit more of a liquid consistency. And I mix them together. You can't see that, but I'm mixing them together here. And what I use is a jeweler's screwdriver, like this. Let me focus on it, just like that. And what I want to do is just gently drag this across the contacts. I've tried using the syringe directly, and I get way too much solder. Too much solder is just nothing but trouble. You get solder bridges and all kinds of things. Now the way they do this in the factory is with a stencil. But that's much further advanced than we're going to get here. Okay, let's do the same thing on the bottom rail. Okay, that's going to work. Now we're going to place our chip. And you'll see the notch is right there. So we're going to follow that path with our chip. Let's get our tweezer, get it in position. This is the hardest part of the whole thing. I think right about there is good. And if we do this right, surface tension will pull it in. Okay, we're going to put on our hot air rework station. We're going to keep our airflow as low as possible to the lowest setting. We're going to set it for 425 degrees Celsius. And here we go. We're going to aim at the base of the pins, not the chip. This is why I like mixing the flux in, because I think the melt point is a little bit better. And you can see it starting to melt. You just saw that little chip move. That's surface tension pulling it in. Let's try the other side. Now, it does look a little bit crooked. This is where you can get yourself in trouble. There it is. There's the trouble. Okay, let's give this a clean with some alcohol. Get rid of the excess. Okay, now we're going to do the leg test. We have to check every leg, so we're going to use our tweezer. We're going to make sure that we have nothing loose here. Just going to push on these legs a little bit. That one's loose. Number 3. That one's loose. That one's loose. That one's loose. So we have a couple of loose ones on here. I'll show you how we're going to fix that. Instead of using the hot air, we're going to use a regular soldering iron. Okay? And we're going to use a chisel tip, like this. After that heats up, we're going to clean it up. Now we're going to put some flux on here. We'll do one side first. Okay, our iron is nice and hot. And here's what we're going to do. Called the drag method. Alright, let's put some flux on the other side. There we go. Let's get our iron on there. Okay, that's done. Give it a clean. Alright, let's check our legs again. Okay, right there we have a solder bridge. See it? First one right there. Solder bridge is gone. Alright, let's check it. Good. Good. Good, 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 and good. Let's check this side. Good. All right, we are solid. Clean it one more time. I just want to do one really close inspection. So we'll move this sled. Okay, I don't see any solder bridges. Same thing here. I think we're good. That's how I do it, guys. I'm sure there's a better technique that I'll learn. Hopefully that helps you. Some of you, I think, are starting to get into this a little bit. So we'll see if that helps you. Everybody have a great day. Thanks.